Hello everyone, welcome to our Tradeschool YouTube channel.
Let's see our today analysis on gold. Today we don't have any high impacting news for gold, so can expect normal movement in gold. We gave gold buy call in previous video with 2 targets. See how gold performed as like we expected. It has moved up from 1917 to 1940 today. Excellent profit for those who used our buy call from Tradeschool. We have marked our buy zone in the range of 1924 to 1926. We can try buy from here if gold gets down for retracement. We also marked our second buy zone from the range of 1929 to 1932. Gold was in bullish movement, so we can go with buy for gold. We marked 2 sell zone for gold. Our first sell zone was in the range of 1950 to 1958. It was long sell zone, and our second sell zone was in the range of 1980 to 1985. As we said in previous videos, all-time high was 2074. There is some possibilities for gold to reach this range if war persists. We can also see that monthly candle was in bullish engulfing. Overall, gold was in bull run. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Our Telegram channel link given in description. Thank you.